case from the date of resignation, the auditor has to file Form ADT3 with company and ROC, and in case of a government company also with CAC. Yes, that is the CNAG. Right, then after that we talked about SA 706, that was regarding the emphasis of matter paragraph and other matter paragraph in the independent auditor's report. Yes, anything fundamental to the user's understanding, emphasis of matter. Anything relevant to the user's understanding, other matter. If you can give a clear reference to financial statements, then emphasis of matter. No such reference can be given, then other matter. Right, what should be the heading of emphasis of matter paragraph? It says emphasis of matter. This term should be there in the heading. Then clear reference to the financial statements and without modification of opinion. Can you give me examples of matters which could be emphasized in the emphasis of matter paragraph? Things which are prohibited. Uncertainty related to future outcome. Okay, AFRF is unacceptable but required by law or regulation. Management has prepared financial statements as per a special purpose framework. Facts have become known to the auditor after the date of the audit report. Substantial doubt regarding the going concern assumption of the entity. Major catastrophe, early application of a new accounting standard. Those are all examples of emphasis of matter paragraph. And other matter paragraph, what are the examples? Yes, other matter paragraph, auditor wanted to resign because there was a limitation on scope, but he could not resign. The report is only for a specific set of users, a specific set of intended users, and should not be distributed to or used by other parties, other third parties. Law regulation permits him to give further explanation. And a client has asked him to perform some additional procedures and report upon the same. Another set of financial statements have been prepared. Right? So that is emphasis of matter paragraph and other matter paragraph in the independent auditor's report. And these two paragraphs, they don't have any fixed location. They are floating. You understand? They may go anywhere, but then generally on an average, title, addressee. Then opinion, basis for opinion. Then what we had seen in SE 700, going concern, key audit matters. So before key audit matters, I will write emphasis of matter, and say after key audit matters, I may write other matter. Then management's responsibility, auditor's responsibility. Sometimes this other matter may come over here also, when some of the branches have been audited by another auditor. Then you have the other reporting responsibilities, and then you have the signature, place and date. And this opinion, basis for opinion, will become qualified opinion, adverse opinion or disclaimer of opinion, and basis for qualified opinion, basis for adverse opinion and basis for disclaimer of opinion. Right, so in case of a modified opinion, this is in case of an unmodified opinion, and this is in case of a modified opinion. SA 705, modifications to the opinion. Right, so is the content of this key audit matters is coming from SA 701, emphasis of matter paragraph, SA 7